Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can change this text at background here. Alright, so we're going to take two routes. First route, we're going to come right to the startup menu, and we're going to click. Now, when you click, you bring up this particular window with some app right here. So if you notice to the left, you notice this is the reverse setting. You're going to click on the reverse setting. Now it opens up the settings. So to your right, you notice a personalization. You click on that, and there you go. I'm going to close it. Next way again, you put the cursor right here. You're going to right click. Right here, personalization, I click, it take you directly. Right, so this is the present background. Right, so let me restore it down that I can see it. All right, if I click right here on this one, you notice the background here so change. If I come right here and I click on this one, you notice the background here so change. Come again and click. Notice it change the background. So this is how we actually change our background right here on our computer. When you're done, you can actually come back like this. Can actually close it just the same. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.